Welcome back to Critical Response, the podcast where we dive deep into real life emergency situations and law enforcement stories. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jordan. Today, we're talking about a terrifying incident that unfolded in Vermont. A police captain was shot while responding to a domestic assault call. And the 911 audio we're going to discuss, it's intense. You can literally feel the chaos just listening to it.
Absolutely. Let me set the scene. Officers arrive at the residence, and almost immediately, things go sideways. There's gunfire, a flashbang goes off, and the captain is hit. The 911 call is full of frantic instructions. Flashbang, captain's up there, come on, get down, ambulance needed now. It's raw, unfiltered panic.
And amidst all of that chaos, the dispatcher and responders are giving life-saving instructions. They're telling people to sit down, stay low, hold a tourniquet ready. One dispatcher even says, keep breathing, keep talking, eyes open, stay on the ground. Imagine trying to do that while someone has just been shot.
Yeah, and it's not just one injury. The captain was hit in the face and in the arm. You hear the urgency in every word. Bullet in the face. 8768, do you copy? We need an ambulance. Every second counts. The way they're coordinating, giving directions, keeping everyone calm, it's textbook crisis response.
And the human element is heartbreaking and inspiring at the same time. You hear someone in the car with the captain reassuring him, "It's okay, I got it. Don't crash. Slow down." They're literally driving him to the hospital while trying to keep him alive, keep him talking, keep him conscious.
Right. And the transcript shows the responder's presence of mind. One officer says, "Are you hit? Stay. You need a tourniquet. Just go." It's a fine balance between giving medical guidance and getting the captain to safety.
And you can hear the tension build. The injured captain asks about flashbangs and bullets, while responders are coordinating, saying things like, "We have one inside. As far as we know, weapon. You're fine, you're fine." They're trying to maintain control over a highly dangerous environment.
And you also hear the raw emotion. Oh my God, which arm? Left? Both in the face? It's fear, adrenaline, and care all rolled into one. Listeners, this is exactly why 911 audio can be so powerful. It captures the immediacy of life-threatening situations.
Exactly. And the importance of staying calm under pressure is highlighted here. The officers are continuously communicating. Keep talking, keep breathing, you're going to be okay. They're giving instructions and reassurance simultaneously, all while bullets are flying.
And there's also the teamwork element. Multiple units, dispatchers, and medical personnel are coordinating every step. Get a wheelchair, just go, don't get out. Everyone knows their role, and it literally saves a life.
This story is a reminder of how dangerous police work can be, and how critical proper emergency protocols are. One wrong move could have been fatal, but the training and coordination made the difference.
And the aftermath? The captain survives, thanks to the quick thinking of the responders and medical teams. This incident has since sparked discussions on officer safety, domestic violence response protocols, and the importance of 911 dispatch accuracy.
It's intense, it's real, and it's a story that reminds us why first responders do what they do. Their split-second decisions save lives every single day.
All right, that's it for today's episode of Critical Response. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe and share. And remember, behind every news headline, there's a human story worth hearing.
Absolutely. Stay safe out there, everyone. Until next time.